Welcome to class. Let us look at this interesting math question. And the trait are given that log y raised to 1 all over 2 base 2 equals log 125 base 5. Find the value of y. Whenever you encounter logarithm question, now it's very simple. All you just need to do here is to, here that you have log 125 base 5. Okay, now all you just need to do is convert this to an index of base 5, which gives us log 5 raised to 3, then base 5. Okay, and this because 5 raised to 3 is the same as 125. Okay, so according to the power log, this exponent here now becomes a multiplier to log 5 base 5, so which gives us 3 log 5 base 5. And you know that in logarithm, that whenever a log of a number has the same argument as the base, then it means that is 1. So in this case, this becomes 3 times 1, giving us what? 3. So the whole of this becomes 3. So our equation can now be written as log y raised to 1 over 2 base 2 equals 3. So the next thing we need to do here is whenever you see a case like this, all you just need to do is you raise 3 as an exponent to a base of 2. Or better still, let's just do this. All you just need to do is raise both sides, okay, to a base of 2. So this becomes 2 raised to log y raised to 1 over 2 base 2 equals 2 raised to what? 3. Whenever you have a case like this in logarithm, all you just need to do, the final answer here is y raised to 1 over 2. Just for instance, you have a raised to log b base a. As long as this base here, okay, is the same as the base of the log, the answer in this case is b, which is what? B. So that's the case here. All right, so we end up having that y raised to 1 over 2 then equals 2 raised to 3 is 8. So here you have what? 8. So what next do we do? Since y is raised to half, all you just need to do is to raise both sides by the reciprocal of this half, which is 2. Raise here the 2. So these 2 clears off this half. We are left with what? Y then equals 8 raised to 2 give us what? 64. So the value of y that satisfies the equation is 64. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.